Hey guys, welcome back. And today is December 24th. Merry Christmas, guys. And this car has been idling for like 15 minutes now. If I turn off the engine and start it again, let's go ahead and replace the battery. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so here is the battery and the part number is right there. We get our OEM battery from Interstate. Yep, let's go ahead and install this one. Alright guys, vehicle started. Let's see if it's still gonna be a Christmas Eve. Okay, so we don't have to deal with the date and time. This is correct. And still a Christmas Eve. Okay guys, Merry Christmas again. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.